Hi, and thanks so much for joining me for Everyday Vlogmas, day 22. Okay, so I can't find the lip I'm looking for. I'm looking for the Chanel Rouge Duo in number 43. So I just put on the Dolce Vita by NARS for now until I find it. Still cannot find the Hourglass palette I talked about misplacing. And I also can't find that lipstick. This time for the wear test, we'll be able to see really what's going on up here, because usually I say there's concealer on top. So I don't know if that's what it is or if it's the foundation. So really we just have the foundation on with the powder and then some blush. So today what we're going to do is see how long I can keep this on. I think I'm gonna try for 12 hours. So I initially started applying this around 9:30, and then in between I dried my hair, I ate a little breakfast, I looked for the lipstick, couldn't find it. So we're gonna finally hopefully decorate. I haven't done any decorating. I've enjoyed making videos every day, but it's also taken up a lot of extra time that I would have, so I haven't put up anything yet. There's no tree, there's no stockings, there's nothing yet. So I'm gonna try and take those out. And we haven't baked at all, and I've been wanting to bake. So we'll make cookies today. Also, we're gonna virtually meet with my sister, so I'll include you in that. We're gonna do a little gift exchange. She is my style person, so I'm not wearing them now. Of course, I'll put them on. The Dior earrings that I get asked about frequently, she gave those to me for my birthday. I think most of the things she's either given to me or recommended to me are things that you ask about frequently. So I really rely on her eye for style when it comes to investing in things like accessories and clothing. So we've sent each other gifts, and we're gonna open those as well. Yeah, we're gonna try for 12 hours today. So I'm back with the earrings that I was talking about. These are the Dior ones that my sister gave me that I wear and I get asked about a lot. I found my lipstick that I was looking for, so I took off the Dolce Vita. By the way, that Viseart palette was very nice. Let me know any other palettes that you like from Viseart, because I'd love to try them in the new year. Checking in at about 3 hours of wear. At first I thought this side was doing a little bit better, because there's a little bit of shine coming through here, but they look equally, almost equally, not shiny, but you know, worn in a little bit. But I think there's just slightly more blurring here. So again, no primer and primer. And they feel similar. I think once the powder goes on, the difference really isn't that evident in the finish as much as it is on initial application. We're gonna go ahead and mix some of that cookie dough. It is a tradition in our family, whether it's at Thanksgiving or Christmas, because we flip-flop on holidays. I'm always making cookies, just sugar cookies with my family and then decorating. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I'm just gonna do half a recipe though, because it's only 2 of us, and I don't think, well, we probably could eat all the cookies, but I don't think we should, so I'll just make half a batch. Half the recipe, I just have 1 1/4 cup of flour. I've got half of 3/4 of sugar. So what is that? 3/8 a cup of sugar. Some vanilla, I'll need 1/4 teaspoon, and then 1 egg. Here we've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so the sugar and the butter, those go in first. I'm gonna cream those. Then the egg. think I was supposed to beat that first, but that's okay. It says 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's good. Then the dry ingredients, add those together, mix them up. Okay, that doesn't look like very much dough at all, does it? We'll see how many cookies we can get out of this. I think I added a 1/4 cup more flour, which was a lot. So we'll see how many cookies this yields. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and just let it kind of set for a little bit. I've taken my dough out here and I'm just rolling it. Turns out we were able to get quite a few cookies out of just that little bit of dough. I did roll the dough pretty thin though, and we like the edges just a little bit crispy. Checking in at 5 hours, I've been baking. The oven's hot. I've also been outside where it's actually quite warm. I'm helping my husband. So it is looking a little bit dewy. Let me just touch it here. It's a little like the oil on my face has come through, but it's looking very skin-like. And it's not falling apart. Let's take a look right here. Let me just look at a mirror. There's just a slight settling in these lines right here, just slight. But it has like a sheen to it that I think is helping out. That's flour right there, helping out quite a bit. But you can see, like, I don't really see that much of a difference anymore with the prime side versus the non-prime side when it comes to wear. They're both wearing the same, but again, I have more oily skin in the center here and then more dry on the exterior. Okay, I'm looking very shiny. I have my light on here. Let me think, how long has it been? About 8 hours now? That took a little bit to calculate, but can you see when I say I get oily in the center? I get oily in the center, not on the sides, just in the middle. We're gonna Zoom with my sister. So we'll be opening our gifts to each other. And then she's got some fashion tips for me that I think you'll be interested in. Hello.
Hello.
You're so fancy. I have 5 beauty products for you that I don't think you've tried. So this is my sister, by the way, and she's very minimal with her makeup. I think you like your skin to show. I think you like easy makeup. You don't want to do too many steps. So for skin, I don't think you've tried this. Have you? The Chanel Le Beige Water Fresh Tint.
Oh.
Yeah, so it comes out like this, and then I bought a rug because everything falls and breaks except my phone broke today.
You don't have a cover?
I've been living dangerously, like for 3 months. I'm like, I don't need a cover. And then today it broke. Chanel, yes. Okay, and am I correct that you have not tried any Chantecaille? This is what you need because you're a little bit more cool toned than me. And it's really pretty. It's called a lip veil. So it's really hydrating, but it's not quite as dense as like a lipstick. I think you'll really like it. I think the new Hourglass palette, it's like a cream product. It dries down. Anyway, there was a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter, and really natural looking. I can't find mine. Like, I don't know what happened. It was in my favorites, and I'm like, looked all over for it. I can't find it.
That's eyeshadow? What is this?
No, it's a bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And I actually think this bronzer will be good for you because it's a little bit cool for me, but you're cooler than me anyway, so you like that. Do you have any of the luminescent eye shades?
I don't have anything like that.
It's really pretty. It's a one and done, and it's a very like multi-dimensional, so you just put it on and it just looks like you don't need anything else. Do you see it?
Yes, it's nice.
I think this is really pretty because you like minimal eyes. So for every day, this is called Sylvie, but it's a very pretty neutrally kind of taupey shade because you like the easier products to work with. I think that actually I'll show you all of them, but there's this Chic Gelée. Oh, I have Lively, but I think you would like Happy, and it's a pinker color because again, you're cooler. Okay, and then there's also a gel bronzer and a gel highlighter. There's a bronzer.
Nice.
Highlighter. Okay, so those are my picks for you. Okay, now what are your top, because you do a really good job of picking things, like everyone asks, not everyone, but a lot of people ask me about the earrings that you gave to me for my birthday. So what are some things that I need to get, because I haven't really bought anything?
So here I found these ear cups that have a little bit of bling on them. So they've got a little diamond effect. Right now, this is a very glammed up look, but I do this look a lot of times with, I have just like a sweatshirt, like a white sweatshirt that I like to wear, or even just like a white button down shirt. But see, it's
Pretty.
Adding a little bit of
I don't know if
glamour.
I could wear that though. I like it on you. I mean, I've seen people wear them.
Absorb it, take it in. Maybe it's something you can try. I went a little sparkly. This is from Eero. I don't know if you know the brand. Do you remember Mom had this dress in the 80s that kind of had this fabric?
Did it have the gold thread?
Yes, the gold thread. This reminded me of that. So I'm kind of channeling Mom right now. So everyone's wearing like comfy stuff at home. I'm loving anything cashmere. So right now,
that's my kind of thing.
This is basically a dressed up robe. It's
Yay!
from DVF. It is the most, I think this is, you would like this because
I
almost want to put it on for you. Maybe I can do that. So another thing that I do is when I find something like a basic like this, that's awesome, buy a few colors. So this one,
oh my gosh,
I still have the tag on. It's a hack though that's so good, right? If you find something that really works for you in terms of your body type, and this will be a classic for a while, I think, and when you have cold weather. It's a really pretty
that's
kind
pretty.
of,
I like that green.
Emerald silvery. So you know the brand Frame Denim? So they came out with a shoe line this year that's been like amazing. So I actually got these boots from them.
Those are cute.
Like, look at the detail on the back. They have a Western feel. They actually feel very, if anyone knows the brand or follows the brand Yves Saint Laurent and their boots, I'm obsessed with YSL boots. It's the same feeling. It's kind of that, that kind of sleek, elevated, cowboy-ish feeling. So these have this huge stacked heel. But the thing that I love about these, because I always have a problem with boots making my legs feel kind of just like sloppy. These hug the ankles so nicely, and they have this cut. So even when you wear like a shorter dress, or if you have a slit, your leg looks miles long because of this cut and how tight these are on the ankle. And then the tips shape are really flattering. I'm not a super trendy person, but I can get inspired by them. These are Stuart Weitzman. And they're actually they're like the most comfortable boots I own. But the reason I got these is I wanted in on the combat boot look. I really like it. I think it's super comfy right now. It's a little bit of a take. You know how Doc Martens have that yellow stitching?
Yes.
For this one, it has a gold chain design.
Oh, I like that. That's fancy. I like that.
This is from Eero again. I bought this actually last year at the end of the season. Super on sale.
I like it.
I know. This is so you, right? Here is a different shearling.
That's cute. I want that too.
Situation. So this one is more, I guess, luxe and feminine. Okay, and then I know you're going to love this because we both love this. But basically, you can also wear it like that. And it's actually warmer because the shearling is close to your body.
Do you just pull the pockets in the other direction?
So
when will I be receiving these?
Let me set up the online account so you can pay me first. So this is what I mean about this dress. It's kind of magic.
I want that dress.
It's so comfy.
If I ever went to a party, I would wear that because I would feel like I was wearing my pajamas.
Has more of a special kind of event look.
Nice.
Are we opening gifts yet?
Yes. Okay, so we are going to do our gift exchange because we're not seeing each other for Christmas. So this is our Christmas. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
First of all, look how pretty. I think this is so pretty. The packaging, look how pretty.
I know, it is.
Lovely. Can you see? Thank you. Look how cute they are. I'm going to put them on.
Glam. Glam. Bling.
I love Dior earrings. I like them because they remind me of like, I like this extra chain that comes down from these. Nice. So cute.
So cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I have other earrings to wear because I'm always like, these or these.
My turn?
Yes.
Well, we've all seen the packaging already, so.
Cute.
It's so pretty. Cool.
Do you like them?
I love them. These are so me.
Ah, pretty. That would look good with your things.
Exactly.
Oh, see, that's really cute.
You made a great choice. These are very me. I feel like I'm going to wear these every day. These, like I said, like right now I look pretty dressed up, right, with this dress. But I think these would look really cool with just like a t-shirt and my black leather jacket and jeans even. Thank you for my gifts. I love them.
Thank you for my gift.
I'm already going to wear them today, I think.
Yes.
Or wait, should I not wear them until Christmas?
No, you already opened them. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good Christmas. Love you.
Okay. I miss you. I love you. Stay safe, okay?
You too. Okay, last check-in. It's been 12 hours and I just took a look at this in the mirror and I can't say I noticed any marked difference between the side with a primer versus no primer in terms of the wear. I think the biggest difference is on application. It just goes on smoother with the primer. I mean, the primer just feels nice. In terms of though longevity, I didn't notice anything significant. I kind of saw just a little bit, but if I feel like I'm looking that closely, it must not be that much of a difference. I mean, it doesn't look anywhere near what it looked like on application. Yeah, I didn't want to interfere with powdering. I mean, I think I normally would have done that, but let's do that now. Let's go ahead and powder and just see, let's see how good we can get this to look. The only thing I could see in terms of makeup really reacting with the oils on my skin was up here. I think because I put on more foundation to begin with there. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you in case you were wondering about this in a long wear situation. I think for combination skin like me, someone asked about combo skin, more oily in the center, dry on the exterior, no issues with the dryness here, just a little bit in terms of the oil coming through, but I think that can be fixed with something like powder just throughout the day, but I think it did really well. Oh yeah, and aren't these earrings so cute, the ones that my sister gave me? And I am already in my pajamas, so I'm ready to go to sleep now. But that's it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.